in here. Let's go. Your boy K back with another great credit product video to help you guys level up financially in life. We about that. We talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, a little bit anything in life interesting, ways to make money, funny videos. We're about a lot of things on this channel, but today we got a great business credit product that is a no hard credit check at first product. They will do a hard pull after you accept your soft pull, but you can initially apply without having a hard pull credit check. What's called a soft pull would not affect your credit initially, just to apply and see if you're approved. So this is a great product. I want everybody to at least try their hand at, see if they get approved. They have very high limits, all the way up to $50,000. I was approved for $35,000. I had this card for over 2 years now, but I'm going to reintroduce you guys to it. If you're not familiar, it is Capital on Tap. Yes, Capital on Tap. Great small business credit card for startups. Yes, for startups. It's not only, kind of look at credit score based, but it's also revenue based. So they want to see that you're having some revenue. And if you are a new business and you haven't generated revenue yet, stick around to the end of the video. I'll give you a hack, a way around that, so you can still get approved. Let's go ahead and talk about Capital on Tap. 1% cash back, no annual fees. Downside of this card, interest rates. Interest rates on this card are ridiculously high. I advise you to take the option where they allow you to pay it off in full every month. Do that. But if you don't have that luxury, you need to, keep a balance revolving. Just make sure you keep the balance as low as possible, because the interest rate will eat you up. And since they do have access to your bank account, they're going to get their money, unless you, close down their bank account or something, they're going to take that money out. So make sure you have a reasonable balance before you spend it. All right. So like I said, up to $50,000, and they are very generous. Now, this card does allow you to do some tracking. They got QuickBooks, Xero. So if you got some accounting software, you can attach it to that. Have a very functional website. You can assign cards to employees as well, and cap their spending limit on those cards. Now they do a soft pull, and they do the soft pull on Experian. So that's the how they get around the no credit check part. Applications happen very, very quickly, under 2 minutes. Make purchase immediately with your virtual card. Your card was arrived in 4 days. Let me show you how my card looks. Like I said, I've had my card for 2 years now, and it does not look like that full black card. I'm kind of mad. I may need to reapply with another business and see if I can get in that way. Actually, I did try to apply with another business, and they said that I already had the card. So that was kind of strange. Something I didn't do right that time. But it's all good. Here it is right here. Make sure I don't show y'all too much information. But yes, sir. Ski, here's the Capital on Tap. The green screen won't allow me to show it. You see it, Capital on Tap. And I'm just I may turn the green screen off. All right. But you see the card. Mine is like a bright yellow color, plastic. Nothing to write home about. Nothing too special about the card, but that black card does look a lot sleeker. I wish I would have got that one. They probably updated it for the 2023 version. But that's kind of the data points around it. Experian soft pull, issued by WebBank. WebBank is a large card issuer, very similar to Synchrony Bank. So if you're interested in doing, CPNs, getting in your cards, your CPN information in the WebBank is key as well. They do a lot of business bank account bank product loans, all, though, but they do have a lot of personal products as well. I know they do, WebBank does PayPal business line of credit. So I have a PayPal business line of credit I was easily approved for, just for already being in the WebBank ecosystem. But you see, it's a true business credit card, free card for employees. The virtual card is set up in minutes. So once you get approved, you can start spending with the virtual card. It's not compatible with Apple Pay yet, though. I wasn't able to set it up in my Apple Pay. If anybody was able to do that, drop a comment down below. If you have this card already, drop a comment below. Let me know how you like it. Here's people who can apply, something kind of things they want you to have for this is active business running more than 6 months. You can't really tell if your business is running 6 months. A lot of businesses, a lot of banks go look at your Secretary of State. Some look at, your website to tell this is stated. So whatever you state on the application, that's what they're going to go with. Have at least $2,500 in revenue. Now, this can be stated, but you're going to connect your business bank account to this. And like I said, if you are a new bank, we're sticking around with this video so far, I'm going to tell you the way I get around that for my new business is I connect my personal checking account. Yes, commingling funds. You should not do that when applying for business funding, things of that nature. But if you are a new business, you really want to get your business started, there's some things you have to do. There's things are called ethical hacks. It's not illegal, but it's just frowned upon by the banks. So you do the information that you want. But if you are in need of getting this business funding, you can attach your personal bank account where you've been working your 9 to 5 all these years and get funding. An additional hack is if you don't even have enough revenue through your personal bank account, then you can get a personal bank loan, a personal loan, short-term loan, pledge loan, whatever type of loan you get, you can use that, funnel that money through your bank account, business or personal, and then attach your bank account through the Plaid platform. This is what we call fintech, financial technology. That way, the bank or capital on tap in this regard can read your bank information, and they will, see how much you got coming in, and all you have to have is $2,500 a month. That is very easy to make. It's less than $700 a week. So a lot of you guys are making that on your job. You can do it. Sole proprietorships. You want to have your LLC form. Go ahead and form your LLC set up. If you need help, I have business formation services. I only charge $150 to help you set up your business. So if you are in any state in the country, I can do that. Just hit me up, creditkay.com, or message me, social media at creditkay. Either way, you see how it's spelled. Creditkay. All right. So I'll make this video too long than it has to be. You see the reviews. I've been using it, I said, for 2 years. I love it. One of the top business credit cards in the game. Although it is PG, because once you do accept your credit card offer off the soft pull, then you will get a hard pull, and if you do default on this card, then it will be applied to your personal credit, but the balance doesn't show up on my personal credit. I have a balance about 2,000 on here right now, and it's nowhere near my personal credit. It does not report to my personal credit, so that's why I love it. And we will continue to use this card and talk about it and promote it on this channel, even though I'm not getting paid to promote it. All right, so here's some frequently asked questions. Why should I use the card? How does business credit work? Let's see, does it even report to business credit bureaus? It's talking about what personal guarantees are. Some information like that. What credit score you need. doesn't really matter. They don't give a specific credit score, but they do want 650 above. That's what most bank lenders, most credit cards. Oh, here we go. Can we build credit? Yes. But where does it report though? It doesn't tell you what exactly it reports to. And I've never really seen it on my Paydex or Experian business reports through NAV. They probably just report to the Small Business Financial Bureau, the SFBE, which is, helps other banks find you. So when other banks, looking to lend me money, they see this $30,000 car limit, and they will more than likely offer me a $30,000 car limit. But not exactly. That's not exactly how that works all the time. But that's how typically how banks look at you as risky or non-risky. If you have that type of limit before, and if you're making those payments, you're paying it off, you don't have a high limit, that means that you can responsibly have that credit card, and they're more likely to give you one as well. All right. So I'm gonna make this video no longer than it has to be. It's your boy K. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help me get out to a wider audience. And shout out the city you're in. What city you in? Kind of get a gauge of my subscribers, where they're from. No matter if you like the credit information, driving information, just the silly videos I make. Just let me know. All right. Later.